What's up, everybody? Taking a look at two pretty tough order of operations problems. This first one you can see below here, but I'm going to evaluate them. I'd like you to pause the video, see if you can do it first, compare your answer with what I get. Go ahead and pause the video now. So I'm going to walk you through how I do this. As we see along the right side here, we have our order of operations written out. First thing I'm looking for is the P for parentheses. We do have that. We have a large set of parentheses around, it seems to be a fractional expression here. What I'm going to do is work within that first. And then you notice I got this little power of 3 right here. Before I can raise anything in the parentheses to a power of 3, I've got to evaluate what's in the parentheses. First thing I'm looking at is this 3 times 2 and 2 times negative 1. So let's evaluate those first. 3 times 2 is 6. 2 times negative 1 is negative 2. All of that still to the power of 3. And carry that plus negative 3 along with it. Now again, got to evaluate everything in the parentheses first. So 2 plus 6 is 8. Divided by negative 2. Raise that to the power of 3. Plus negative 3. Now 8 divided by negative 2 is negative 4. And that's to the power of 3 plus negative 3. Now, I like to kind of write this out. So I'm going to take this negative 4 to the power of 3, and I'm going to write it in expanded form. So I'm going to take this negative 4 to the power of 3, and I'm going to write it in expanded form. So that looks something like this. Negative 4 times negative 4 times negative 4 plus negative 3. You don't need to write it in expanded form. By no means do you have to. I'm just doing it just to be explicit in what's actually going on there. But when we do this, we have negative 4 times negative 4 gives me positive 16 times negative 4 plus 3 gives me negative 64 plus negative 3. And that gives me a final answer, negative 67. All right, did you get that? If you did, nice job. If not, go back and see in which step maybe you could have made your error, and then just correct it. Let's take a look at one more. A busy one, very busy. We got some brackets. We got multiple exponents. Let's go ahead, work through our order of operations, and take it piece by piece as we evaluate this. First things first is these big brackets. So that's where I'm going to focus my attention first. I'm just going to evaluate the top. I'm not even going to worry about the bottom yet. Just look at the top. Within the brackets, we have a parentheses. So this is 3 times 2 to the power of 3 minus 1 all over. Again, I'm just going to rewrite everything because I don't want to overwhelm myself and try and do too much at once. Now up top, we have 3 times 2 to the third is 8 minus 1 all over 11 minus 3 squared minus 2 squared minus 3 to the power of 3. All right. Now, what I'm going to do in this step, because to me some of this stuff is a little simpler, I'm going to evaluate this top portion up here and take care of these exponents down low. All right. So 8 minus 1 is 7, and 3 times 7 we know is 21. That is all over 11 minus 9 minus 2 squared is 4 minus 3, and all of that is raised to the power of 3. So I still got 21 all over 11 minus, well, 9 minus 4 is 5. 5 minus 3 is 2. So down here now, I got 2 to the third. All right. This is 21 divided by 11 minus 8, which is the same as 21 divided by 3, to give me a final answer of 7. All right. So once again, check your answer. Did you get 7? If not, where did you potentially make an error? And then figure out from there how to correct it. I hope you guys found these enjoyably challenging. Thank you for watching.